All right, we're out here on Arnold this Saturday morning. How you doing, Mr. Gaby?
Hello, hello.
Doing good?
Yes, sir.
What's going on, cameraman?
Nothing much, just forgot the mic.
You find this job site okay?
Yeah, when I was pulling up, that truck right there was pulling up as well, so I just followed up.
Yeah, Donnie had to go do a service call.
I just got here like 5 minutes ago.
Okay. Remember Mr. Coke?
No, I haven't met him.
No, I said you remember Mr. Coke. Where we were at yesterday?
Yeah.
This is one of their communities they're building.
Oh, okay.
Coke Associates. Yeah.
That's awesome. Here it is, mic is on.
All righty, let's see what we got cooking here. Edwin, how are you, sir?
It's a little frozen,
A little bit. Yesterday was muddy out here. Very muddy out here yesterday. How you doing, Don? Doing good? How'd your call go, Donnie? No problem?
So that when we were putting the path lights here.
Well, right now we're running in this bed. We're running the wire into here for path lights and uplight. Then we're gonna come out this way, put a piece of wire and a flag here because they're gonna put the light pole, the flag pole, and the shrub and the sign that goes right here. So he's gonna run out to here, but right here, and then put the
another light here?
Well, a wire.
Oh, wire?
Because we're gonna have a couple lights. This will be a light pole next week and the sign right in here.
Okay.
So come out right where your feet are at, put a piece of wire up, curl it up, and then put a bunch of flags around it. Let's walk around this way, Gabe. Drayden, come on. We'll walk around here and talk. We can get a better look at the backyard so we're not going in there. I don't know how muddy it is. It looked like a lot less muddy than it was yesterday.
Yesterday was pretty bad, but it's
firm.
a little frozen now.
So it's not too bad?
No.
But we can get a good view from here.
Yeah.
Beautiful home, isn't it?
It is.
It's a lot of square feet in that home. Look at the side of that thing. Whoo! In a full basement?
Mm-hmm. 6 cents total.
6?
Yeah.
Okay. That's what he told you?
No, that's what we said. Right?
Yeah. Hey, Rudy! Is that him right there?
I think so.
You might not hear all the hats on.
It's probably got 3 hats and 2 hoods on.
Yeah. So I told him 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's at least 5. 1 here, 1 on the side, 2, 3 at the back, 4 on the side, and then out from the side to the front, it's 5. So minimum 5, maybe max of 6. But don't put a hurting on it. I'm trying to see if there's an outlet there. Yeah, there's an outlet right there in the back of the house. See it?
We want to take both of those sockets for the transformer and the controller. We want to do something temporary. I have a post from the other day.
Do you? You got a post with you?
4x4. It's got the pre-cut with the, not the fancy top, but the decorative top end we could use. Unless.
Is that similar to what he had over at the farmhouse?
It's the same one.
Yeah, that's what I figured you meant. You will give that to Donnie to mount the transformer?
Yeah.
Why don't you do that?
Okay.
Transformer and controller right there?
Yeah.
Donnie, Grady's gonna give you a post. See where the electrical is? Right below that, one side we can put a little transformer and the other side we can put a controller. Or you can do top and bottom, however you want to do it, Don. But make it a plug-in, okay? Beautiful day with the sun coming out, still chilly, isn't it? So if you're looking for a brand new home, this neighborhood's called Ford's Grant. It's here in Arnold. Beautiful community. That house could be yours for a cool $1 million, sir. Talking to you, buddy, cameraman.
Yeah.
$1 million.
$1 million?
That's nothing for you.
Yeah.
You camera guys.
Yeah.
A new house coming up there. Guys are out here knocking that out, getting her framed up, aren't they?
They're having a good time.
Huh?
They're having a good time. Speaker blasting.
Yep. Trying to keep warm. It's cold, man, when you're nailing. Get the nail gun going. You know you got gloves on. You know how cold that nail gun is? Whoo, that metal.
Yeah, it's probably been sitting out all night or in someone's truck.
Oh, man. I hope not, but you're probably right. All right, you ready to blast off to another project?
Let's go.
All right, we're heading out. We'll talk to you guys later. All right, see ya. All right. We're in Glendale. What we got going on here today?
8-zone system.
What we got going on here today? How many zones is this? 8 zone?
It is indeed, yes sir.
8 zone? How many zones here? Eight zones? Eight. Mark, how many zones is this? Ocho, baby. Easy on the heat. Easy on the heat. Gonna have that thing as taffy. Uncle Dave. Too much heat, you're gonna have leaks come spring. Easy. How you guys doing?
Good.
Good?
Yes.
Good?
Yeah.
How's Dave doing? Good?
Good.
All right. Cleaning her up. Getting her clean. What's going on, Unc? How are you?
Good morning, sir.
How are you, sir? Everything good? Good. What's up, bud? How are you?
Good.
Good? Good? Byron, how you doing? Angel, everybody good? Doing good, Byron? We got dog fence. Root, got dog fence? What kind of dog they got? Rottweiler?
Sounds like a big dog. I heard it barking when we walked up.
Yeah, she sounded huge. Yeah, that would do it good here, wouldn't it? All right, over here we got the controller. Got a Hydro-Wise controller outside here with the antenna. Got the backflow device, all the plumbing complete, all complete. This is a nice setup right here. Guys did a good job. Everything's nice and level. Joel did the plumbing tie-in, pulled the permit, got the controller, got the antenna for the remote wireless rain sensor.
Yep.
Looking good. There's the rain sensor right there up on the peak, which is perfect spot out of any kind of canopy. Good looking install, isn't it? So we got a rotor right here, rotor by the mailbox, rotor in the front. So that's zone of 3, red, another zone, 4. Yeah, that's looking good. Sprays on the right side of the driveway here. Guys are finishing this up. Guys are gonna get the system complete today. Then we're gonna get the water turned on, get everything adjusted. Then we're gonna get it winterized. And we'll continue to do that all winter long. We'll get systems put in, installed, charged, all adjusted. Everybody be ready come spring. So we got a lot of systems to get in this winter.
Yep.
This is one of many. It looks nice. Nice install. Cleanup is going great. Plumbing's done. Controller is done. Guys are finishing up the last couple of sprinkler heads and get this all on and adjusted. Give me something up here, Root. What you got? There we go. There we go. Got some rotary heads on here. Let's get these all adjusted. Down, you got some pliers on you? Turn this head for me. Might be able to grab that, ratchet it around. Set 180 off. There you go. Cold, baby, cold. Yeah, baby. Looking good, guys. Good looking pressure, Root. Good looking pressure, Rudy. Yeah, buddy. 4 rotors. Looking good. Looking good, Don. Yes, sir. So don't let anybody tell you we can't install systems in the wintertime, because we're installing them, Donnie. A lot of systems to get installed, don't we?
Yeah.
Let's get them done. Right, Root? A lot of systems all winter. All right. So don't let nobody fool you. We can install systems all winter. We're gonna get this system all finished today, all adjusted, and then we're gonna get it all winterized. So these folks will have a system complete and ready for spring. So come end of March, 1st of April, they give us a call. We'll come back out here, do a spring startup for them, and they'll be set to go. All right, heading to the next job. All right, we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching this episode of Life of a Contractor, and we'll see you next week with another episode.